6 photos of 2024 so far with no context. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it. So keep on watching. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this profile right here, you will have to go to April 2024 at highlights. Here you will find a lot of stickers, so click on that. Now tap until you find your sticker. There we have it. Now click on the add yours button. And right now you'll have to add 6 photos of 2024. So for that you will have to go to your uploads, which are in the left bottom corner. Go there and choose your first photo. I will go with this one. Now you can place your photo where you want in a corner, so you can make a space for the others. So now to add a second photo, you will have to go to stickers from the top of the screen here. Scroll down and click on this plus icon right here, and it will get you to your gallery once again, and you can choose your second photo. Then to add a third photo, you have to go again here and so on. But I will leave it just like this as an example. So right now, once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends by clicking on this button right here. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and also if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.